The NCD burden is skyrocketing.
People understand we're at a key inflection point in global health.
The burden of non-communicable diseases is rising rapidly, especially in low and middle income countries.
Without financing all the interventions you want to apply to reduce the burden, really you won't have progress.
The FAN is critical at this moment because it's bringing really unique ability to support countries to generate new revenues and use those revenues more efficiently.
Countries are stepping up, but countries also need help and support to really develop the right kinds of health financing models.
It is not a donor-led, top-down program,
but instead more nimble support that can bring just-in-time, demand-driven technical support to countries.
We've started to engage with countries to really understand their needs and priorities in health financing for NCDs. Ultimately, over time, by being in sub-Saharan Africa, as we expand to Latin America and the Caribbean, and eventually in Asia Pacific, we see opportunities to exchange ideas between regions.
FAN is really helping us to bring everyone who is important in the financing landscape into the table.
The FAN is really a very interesting type of global and local partnership.
This partnership is particularly unique and exciting because it brings together industry through Access Accelerated, pharmaceutical companies that are committed to try to improve access to treatments and prevention for NCDs. And this is in partnership with the World Bank. And the World Bank provides the lion's share of funding right now, especially to countries for their health systems.
Results for Development, R4D, have experience with country learning networks as well as health financing expertise.
It really pulls from the local expertise through the regional accelerators. It also pulls from the unique contributions that each of the sector partners are bringing to the table.
So it's really a blend of expertise, contacts, resources from 4 different organizations that are working together to achieve a common goal.
That includes bringing countries and peers together to learn from each other and actually co-create new ideas.
Most importantly, we were able to come up with concrete action plans as a country to be able to further our agenda.
And then having this catalytic funding to implement some of the solutions that will hopefully be able to be scaled up.
I'm very energized by our first year with the FAN, where we've gone from launch to implementation. I'm really pleased with the progress we've made, but we're learning all the time. We're on a journey. I think we've made a good start, but there's lots more to do.
It is exciting. It's already achieving impact.
And we are really hoping that things will be different when it comes to funding for NCDs.